In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from a picture in Google Slides. Using a white background as an example, this can be a useful tool for creating more polished and professional presentations. Let's dive in and break it down step by step. First, make sure you head over to Google Slides by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Slides homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account. Once you are on the home page and signed in, you can click on the blank presentation option to start with a clean slate, or choose from a selection of templates if you have a specific design in mind. Once your new presentation is open, locate the insert menu, which is at the top of your screen. Click on it and then select image to upload the picture you wish to edit. You can upload an image from various sources such as your computer, Google Drive, or even a web link depending on where your file is stored. Now comes the crucial part of our task, removing the background of your selected image. For this, you'll need to make use of an extension. Move your cursor to the Extensions tab at the top menu and click on it. If you haven't already installed any, you might need to download an extension specifically for background removal, so be sure to follow any prompts that guide you to add this tool. With the extension on board, you'll look for the background remover for images in the list of available tools. Click on it, and then in the drop-down menu, select Open. Your extension should open in a new side panel, making it easy for you to work side by side with your presentation. Next up, you'll have the straightforward part of the process. In the panel that has opened, simply click on Start Remove. The tool will take a moment to process your image, so be patient as it works to isolate the main subject from its background. And with that, you've successfully removed the background of your image. You can reposition, resize, and layer your newly edited image within your slide as per your creative needs. If you run into any issues or if the background doesn't remove as cleanly as you hoped, a quick adjustment using third-party editing software might help refine the edges. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering more advanced Google Slides features, making your presentations not only informative but visually engaging. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been a helpful guide to enhance your presentation skills. Until next time, happy presenting.